The flood came without warning. Water swallowed everything he loved. He reached for his dog, but the current took it away, still looking back at him. Only an old collar remained. 3 years passed. The boy grew quiet. One evening, a small, muddy dog touched his hand, tail wagging. Those eyes felt familiar, too familiar. He knelt, trembling. The dog leaned closer. At the vet, everything was normal, but holding the old collar, he knew the same eyes, the same loyalty. That night, the dog followed him home. It slept by his door. The boy smiled. Some bonds don't break, some souls return.